Today I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes with me at an extended family session. So I get this question a lot about what is my workflow for posing extended families, and I work with extended families a lot. I know a lot of photographers don't love to work with extended families, but I just feel like it's really easy money. It's maybe not the most fun thing in the world. I understand why people don't necessarily feel super creative when they're doing them, but it's really easy money. People always purchase extras and purchase prints and things like that. So I don't mind doing extended family sessions, and I have a really easy workflow and system that I use to keep things as stress-free as possible. I'm so used to it just from being a wedding photographer and doing all those family formals that I don't mind it at all. And if you're someone who struggles with more creative posing, especially at extended family sessions, I think you can be creative and have fun with your posing at extended family sessions too. I actually have a free download for you down below, and that is my family posing guide. So I'd love for you to download that. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and get onto location so you can watch me photograph this extended family session.
And then does everyone have everything in their pockets?
Yes.
Okay. Can you move it into your back pocket? It probably looks weird.
Oh, no.
Photograph. I know. Yeah, it does show up. And then everyone's looking right here and smiling. Oh, perfect, yes. Hi, perfect. Yay. Look right here. Yay. Awesome, and then let's go. Oh, I'm going to take it right for a diaper change. Okay.
We can do some and then change her.
Okay.
She had a real serious look that way. Yeah.
Let me see a brown spot right there.
We can do some and then change her because I want to put her in a yeah. So we'll change her diaper then.
Okay, so. I think you guys also get big steps for awesome, and then get a little closer together. Perfect. And then grandma take a few steps backwards. So, yes. And then everyone looking right here, smiling. Awesome. Hi. Perfect. And then let's bring in the other guy.
Keep clapping.
Clapping.
On the walls.
Let's see. Let's sing this part.
Just like that.
Oh, this looking right here. Yay! Hi, That's okay.
Yay.
Woo! Want to go play the game music? Our car's right there. But
Yeah, let's do.
Where's the star? The step on.
Are you changing your outfit? Big change.
You want me to change?
You want any just individual pictures?
sure, we can just take couples photos of all of you guys if you want to.
Why don't we go do this, you guys?
We'll take care of her and
We
guys get
It's
pictures.
like that grandparent.
Yeah, great. Like, okay.
Oh,
Awesome. So,
cat.
oh, that's true. So I think I'm just gonna do the two and then
Yeah.
I think we're probably running the business home. I know, yeah.
Abby's like, huh? What?
And then yes.
Oh.
Yes. Perfect. And then let's maybe do right here.
Baby stroller.
Yep. Here? Yes, just right here. And does either of you have a good side? Okay, doesn't matter. That's good. Okay, so then I have to put your hand around her waist instead of her shoulder. Perfect. And then can you put your belly button into his hip bone? Awesome. You can just put a hand on the breast right there, and you can put a hand in the pocket.
And in my pocket.
Yep. If that's okay with you. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. And looking at each other. Perfect. And then just rest your heads on each other and look right at me. Yes. Perfect. Amazing.
I don't want to see that picture. The camera broke down.
Oh, does she need it?
They got the heck of that.
Oh.
You had one mission. Two missions.
I have a bag and the car.
How do you feel?
The grandpas, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
All right, we need just one of the grandpas together.
Oh,
Yeah,
man, I'm not going to put my hand against him.
Yeah, your hip bone.
Yeah, your hip against my
I'll just put you guys right here.
All right, we can do this.
Come on, just have a.
How do you want our hands?
That's fine, yeah, or you
Yeah.
can hands in pockets, whatever.
However you want to stand. Y'all are so handsome. I love it.
All right, Grandma's turn.
Should we do the grandmas together too?
Yeah, that's
We're gonna get.
Yes,
She
you
liked
the
that
pretty
pink
flower
tree,
background.
yeah.
Yes.
Just grass.
Oh. Perfect. You can do a hand around each other, and then I like hand down at this. Yeah, just do hand down. So that looks good.
Relax, boy, you smile. You like that best, take more pictures, huh?
Oh.
Y'all are so cute though.
No, ours were just all perfect.
It's like
Man, that thing, when you can see it smoking, it
Oh,
smells
yes.
good.
so Bryson.
I like a selfie with each of the sets of grandparents too.
Oh, okay.
You guys want to get to do?
Over here, pink.
where do you want it?
I'm
Grandma.
And just for those of you who have a good time. That's what it's like. Okay, so it's okay.
Come on, go granddad. Hey, someone! Sophie!
And then can I get her with just her? And then can you let that iron touch the pipe and then
Oh, her face is so expressive.
Grandpa. I'm trying to get this. Oh.
And what side?
That's a grandpa, you know.
Matching Bruce loves granddaddy.
You found me for that. Yes. Oh.
Hang up now. Yay, so pretty.
Next set of grandparents.
No, no.
She's like, alright, what is going on here? Yeah, you gotta watch your stuff. There's lots of. I had no idea.
Yes.
Well, we've been seeing this.
No.
I mean, she can edit it, but just don't stay on there.
Oh, perfect. And then let's do this, Grandma.
Amen.
You kind of look like you can tell what I had on.
Oh, yeah.
Hang
And then
on.
let's pass her to Grandpa. Oh. She's smiling.
Being very smiling.
And with a
Hi, Sophie.
What?
She saw your coffee outside.
yeah.
Hey, Sophie. And then she didn't know it was a caregiver. Oh, that's
Sophie.
cute. She's like, Sophie. Oh, there's Sophie. I'm proud. You've been good. So I turned her back to Mom and Dad. And you still don't have anything in your Okay, perfect.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching me photograph this extended family session, and don't forget to go ahead and download that free posing guide that I have for you down below. And then if you want to dig even deeper into posing families, not just extended families but all families, and getting them to feel comfortable in front of your camera, I would love to have you join me inside of Mastering Authentic Connection. That is my family posing course, and in the meantime I am just going to keep creating free content for you here on YouTube as well, so feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see from me next time. Can't wait to see you in the next one.